Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to share Video Marketing Blaster. Video Marketing Blaster is my favorite automated SEO software that will help you to SEO YouTube video automatically. First download the software, then click on Video Details. Click on From Competitors, then type your targeted keyword and click Start Generating. Wait few minutes to get the result. You will then see suggested title tags that you can use in your video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.